Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the FC mobile loading bar stuck at the same spot for minutes, never actually finishing loading into the game? Here's the fix. A stuck loading bar almost always means the app can't finish downloading the resource pack it needs. First, go to your settings, then go back and go to Wi Fi. Confirm you're actually connected with a strong signal. A weak or dropped connection is the most common cause of stalled loading bar. Toggle Wi-Fi off and turn it back on to refresh the connection. Then reopen FC Mobile. If it's still stuck, go ahead and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data in settings or vice versa, since certain networks silently throttle large game app downloads. If the bar is still frozen after switching networks, force close the app, then go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps and find FC Mobile, tap on it, then tap Offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store, search for it and reinstall it fresh from there on a strong connection so the full resource pack downloads cleanly. So all you gotta do is refresh your Wi-Fi, try switching networks, then also and reinstall on a strong connection. The loading bar completes and that's it. Subscribe.